Black, I ain't even see you through the peak, man. What's up, man? Ain't good to see you.
Kid, what up, man?
What up, boy?
Hey, what's up, my guy?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to The Late Show. I'm your host, Stephen Colbert. Well, thank you very much. Very kind. Well, President Trump is still on his semester abroad and getting those extra credits. And he might want to stay over there for a little while until the firemen can put out a budget proposal. Because not only does nobody like it, but it turns out it has a huge mistake in it. Not the part about cutting funding for cancer research. That's just one of his passion projects. It turns out that the...
Kid! You snoring, man.
I need to tell that man again.
Kid! Kid! What's up, man? Calm down.
What you talking about?
Sound like one of them damn white boy truck back there all there.
Shaking my head. Fuck y'all, man. Y'all kiss my brown ass.
Shit, man, I can't take it that home, dog. This shit real, bro. This don't make no sense.
Hey, Kid. Hey, Kid, man, wake your fat ass up, bro.
For real.
Man, what? I wasn't snoring, dog. I wasn't snoring.
The good one, man.
Come on, now.
Man, let me go back to sleep.
What about No. Better yet. I'm gonna just take my black ass home. It's just like it's doing something to y'all. I know I ain't snoring.
Go home, stay home.
Me and all the dogs, acting like some dogs, we evolved. Used to think vacation meant Niagara Falls. Swear to God, shot to Buffalo, never ducking low. I don't stop, man, I'm stuck on goal. Always hug the road, fuck a op, make his body roll. Yeah, a lot of those started out doing college shows. Calipari flow, then I pop like you never seen. We with everything, I went off in a 16, give me 17. Want a lot, can't have everything.